What's good, June Squad? You won't believe where I'm at. As you can see, oh, bugs are biting me. God dang it. Well, we are in Thompson Falls. Ow! And they're just biting me. They're biting me, son. Look. Yeah, I got him. I got him. Anyway, we're in Thompson Falls. Ow. And, beautiful, beautiful area, guys. Yeah, that one hurt. I'll do it. All right, I'll do it. Hold on. Come this way. Go! Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! How was it?
It felt like water, I felt death flash from my eyes.
Yes! I got you, buddy. Yeah, my turn. You go! She said, woo! These are for Randy. Guys, we're going back up in here.
Yep. I'm coming.
Oh, everybody, it's like Disney World over here. Everybody's in line.
Waiting for the tour guide.
Everybody's in line, waiting for the tour guy.
I was like, I feel like we should like take it.
Oh, man. The man has been doing
For real.
awesome today.
Yes.
I'm so excited that he was our tour guide.
I gotta keep an eye on you.
On me?
Yeah.
What am I doing?
You plan to run off the trail. Like, oh, we're going. You're off the trail.
You got it, bro.
Oh, look at this rock. Oh boy. Wow.
Yep, good job. Right foot to go right here.
Okay.
Thank
you.
Oh, back, bro. Hold on. Here we go. Ready, guys? Look up. Look at it. Back up.
Get it out again.
Back up. Look.
Oh, there, that was on your toes on fire. Foot's on fire. Look at Major, look. Is that tree growing out of the rock?
No, it fell on it.
Or it fell on top of the rock? Oh. Okay. Yeah, it fell on top of the rock. So you can... Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. You good? Come on. Don't you fall.
Be careful, it's slippery.
Wow. Wow. All right. A lot of water. Whew. All right. We gotta do this slow. Okay. Which way we go? That way. All right. Whoa, whoa. Everything is so slippery. All right. Am I going the right way? I don't know. But we're gonna try to go this way. Looks like this is the way to go. Whoa. That's a big old rock. All right, guys. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. I gotta go up to there. All right. All right. We're getting there. All right. All right. We made it. Okay. We made it. So I made it wherever the hell I'm making it, but I'm making it. Oh boy. Whew. This is so beautiful. Wow. That's crazy. Holy crap. Here. All right, I'm gonna need my hands again.
All right, kind of like almost sit on your butt.
Ooh. Yeah, got it. Thank you, sir. Thompson waterfall. It's cold. Very cold. here late.
It's all good. It's all good. So what I was saying is, that's the dam right there. Back in the late 60s, they started blasting this to make the dam. So all the rock itself to make the dam came from all this area right here.
Wow. Oh, so they just chiseled off of it and built it.
Blasting, yeah.
Oh, wow.
So, but stay far away from the boats. Those are divers.
Okay. Divers.
Scuba divers. So stay away from the boats over there.
So what are they looking at down there?
It's clear water. There's a couple structures.
The structures?
A lot of training. You know, a lot of certifications happen here on Jocassee.
Okay.
This water's crystal clear.
So, as the man said, this used to be, there's a dam that's over there that they chiseled off of this rock to build that dam over there. We're gonna check that dam out here in a minute. But awesome area. The water is super crystal clear, so there's scuba divers in the water. We gotta be careful. But here we go, guys. All right, this is Whitewater River, guys. Another waterfall here. I think we're in North Carolina. I'm not 100% sure, because we crossed the border a couple of times. So I'm not sure where we're at, but I know, God, I already forgot the name of it. Beautiful though. Whitewater River, that's what he said it was. Okay guys, we done found another waterfall. Yeah. Check it out. You missing some passengers? I said, you missing some passengers? Harold, is it cool if I take those videos and put it on the Captain Jocassee YouTube page? Yeah. Action! Well guys, we're gonna end this video right here. It was an amazing day. We explored all of Lake Jocassee. It was amazing. Thanks to Captain Jocassee. Bro, that man took us everywhere, showed us all of the waterfalls. We did some climbing, as you can see. We had a blast. Oh my God, it's amazing. To be honest, I'm exhausted now. I'm so tired of climbing mountains and climbing down mountains. Wow, just an amazing day. Wow, I would love to live out here. I ain't gonna lie to you. Just so many mountains, as you can see, the mountains in the background. The water's so crystal clear. I'm lost for words, man. You guys like this, man? Hit that like button. Smash it hard, you guys. Support your boy by hitting that like button. Don't forget. But guys, we going home. I mean, we're not going home, but we going back to the ramp right now. Amazing day. I'm beat up. Wifey had a good time. She's around there somewhere. But it's just a blessing. This place is just awesome. Wow, I gotta come back out here again. So thanks to Captain Jocassee, he rocked it. You guys, make sure you go follow his page. I will leave the link in the description below. If you ever come out here, he's your tour guide. But today, we are done. It's a wrap. We out of here, guys. Thank you for watching. We out.
Start launching the skis.
Randy's turn. Again.
I don't know when.
We're gonna throw it at him.
Wait, there's a civilian.
Actually, we're not gonna throw that. We're gonna throw that. Everybody over there. Watch.
They don't know.
Watch. gonna get out of the truck now. Watch. Let me get out. I didn't do it. That came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Swear. Swear to you. Yeah. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Huh? What? I don't know. No, it's not.